Hello friends, I am Dr. Pallavi Ganesh Hundre, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Physics of Shikshan Maharshi Jnanadev Mohekar College, Kalam, District Usmanabad. Today I am going to present poster for International Web Conference on Science, Engineering and Technology 2020. My topic of poster presentation is ferromagnetic behavior of nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles synthesized by Solger technique. There are various chemical methods have been developed for the fabrication of zinc oxide nanoparticles such as co-precipitation method, hydrothermal method. Among all these, we have chosen the Solger method because of its unique advantages like it is simple, low cost, easy to fabricate and control the particle size of nanoparticles. For synthesis of the nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles by Solger method, we have used zinc nitrate, nickel nitrate, citric acid and distilled water. By the completion of the synthesis process, we have get the fine powder, and that powder we have grounded by the pestle and mortar, and that powder also sintered at 600 degrees Celsius for 5 hours in furnace. These synthesized powder are characterized by X-ray diffraction technique, scanning electron microscopy and pulse field magnetic hysteresis loop technique. Firstly, we have seen the result of X-ray diffraction technique. The X-ray diffraction peaks identified the formation of a single phase with hexagonal Woodside structure of zinc oxide nanoparticles and also the nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles. There is no change in the structure of the zinc oxide nanoparticles by the doping of the nickel ions. The scanning electron micrographs shows the particles are nearly spherical and agglomerated. The scanning electron micrographs clearly shows that the nanocrystalline nature of pure and nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles. These are the structural analysis of the prepared nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles. We have shown in the figure 1, that is the X-ray diffraction pattern of both the zinc oxide nanoparticles and nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles, and the figure 2 shows the scanning electron micrograph of nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles and the pure zinc oxide nanoparticles we have seen in the figure 2. Lastly, we have seen the magnetic properties of nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles. In this figure 3, we have shows the variation of pulse field hysteresis loop of pure and nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles. It shows the signature diamagnetic behavior for the pure ZNO nanoparticles and nickel-doped ZNO nanoparticles existing of room temperature ferromagnetic nature. Lastly, we have concluded that in the present study, Solger method for synthesis of nickel-doped zinc oxide nanoparticles was successfully achieved. The influence of nickel ions onto structural, morphological and magnetic properties of zinc oxide nanoparticles were successfully investigated.